Residents of a local apartment block have decided not to pay their protection money. The boss wants to send a message to anyone else thinking of not paying up. I stashed a remote-triggered bomb down a nearby alleyway. Go and pick it up. Okay, now, put it down next to the apartment block.
This is my car now.
Great! Now, get out of there and go in the sky high. Ah, excellent. Here's your cash. Get your ass down to the phones for more missions. There's a stolen taxi parked in the center of the city. Fetch. The boss wife is visiting a friend. Go, pick her up. Okay, now wait for the boss wife to get in.
Hi, handsome. Take me to the hotel. Would you be allowed to pick up my fitness instructor on the way?
Okay, now wait for him to get in the car. Take us to the hotel and take your time.
Thanks for the lift, hon. I'd appreciate it if you could keep this to yourself. Also, could you watch our bags as we go in the hotel?
Ah, nice one. Here's your payment. Get back to the phones for some more missions. Reinhardt's brother has just bought a house in the south of the city. We've decided to kidnap him. His house is heavily guarded, but we think it should be possible for you to slip in unnoticed. Although you can go in all guns blazing if you want. Oh, you idiots! One of the guards saw you. Kill him before he sets off the alarm.
Move and I'll blow your head clean off.
Okay, I'll come quietly.
Great! Now, take him to the helicopter on the roof. Now, wait for the kidnappee to get on board. Okay, now, fly him to our helipad to the northeast. Okay, now get out.
Bring him to us.
Ah, job well done. Here's your payment. Now, get out of here. Hey, head back to the phones for more missions. The rival crime lord has given in to our ransom demands. We've hidden his brother in the boot of a blue Mondilio parked in the southeast of the city. Go and pick it up. Okay, now drive to the car park in the south of the city and make the trade. Get out of here! Get back to the meeting point. Get back in the car. Now, head to the meeting point. Get back in the car. Now, head to the meeting point. Get out of here. Okay, wait for them to put the briefcase down. Okay, now pick it up. Ha! Great! Okay, for the extra money. Ah, nice one. Here's the extra money. Head towards the payphone for another assignment. The drug lord has got a shipment hidden in the bus to the east of the hotel. Make sure that we remain the only supplier. If you need it, there's a bazooka hidden in the alleyway nearest this phone. Remember that the petrol tank is in the back of the bus. Just to make things interesting, you've only got 75 seconds to do it. Think of it as a test. Say in German, gut gemacht. Here's your money, but keep an eye open for the cops. Head to the phones for more missions. A friend just found out that I'm banging his wife. Waste him before he tracks me down.
Nice car. I'll take it.
There he is! Wipe him out! Nice. Here's your money. Get your ass down to the phones for more missions. Okay, you should enjoy this. Get in the truck parked in the car park by the hotel. I fitted explosives to a few remote-controlled cars. I caught the wife with some other guy the other night, and I've just thought of the perfect punishment. Drive one of the RCs underneath her car and blow her to death.
I need your car.
Get your ass down to the phones for more missions. Rival gang are meeting behind some building to the northwest. Wasted.
Get out.
Watch out! They're onto you! Nice one. Now, get the rest. Nice one. Now, get the rest. Nice one. Now, get the rest. Ha! Great. Here's your money. Hey, head back to the phones for more missions. Ike stopped the car in the back street. Find it before the cops do. Great! Now take you to Kenny's garage in the south of the city. The cops are onto you, so better watch out. Excellent. Here's your danger money.